Boom. Day number whatever. Nobody knows already. Crossing the river. Listening to amazing song. Going to next destination, 4900. We will sleep there, and tomorrow go base camp, and then other mountain. Everybody feeling well. This is process for those who die in the mountains. Stupas. So it's 1 o'clock. Reached Labucha. Team is somewhere on the way, and a lot of energy on the way to the top. We see how it goes next. Having a short coffee break, espresso, and yeah, maybe go next, maybe stay here. And yeah, so far the elevation is easy, body feeling well. The only thing is cold and dry air at night, but I think it's not a problem, not a main problem. Everything else, muy bueno. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Another one. Look at this guy. One more guy eating his corn. Going for a small hike for acclimatization. A little bit of snowing. Meters 5043. This is my team going up, no stopping. Everybody easy mode for everyone. Sniegas nebaisus. Look at that. Whoa. So yeah. Everest up there. Now on the way to Everest base camp. Nothing big, nothing small, of course. Looks like it. Looks like a nice hike. I lost myself. So update, not lost, just here enjoying myself. And yeah, look at this glorious mountains. Wow, can see Everest there. Wow, epic. So we're going to Everest base camp, and then we go today in the evening to other place, 5,550 meters. Plan was go tomorrow, probably will go today, so we can rest tomorrow. That's it. That's it. Look at that. Just crazy. Thinking who would even try to go on top of these mountains, or try to conquer them. It's a place of God, you know.
No?
Opa!
Toss.
Welcome, welcome.
Geriau užaugs.
Nesigavo iš naujo.
Just joking, just joking. Cheers.
Going back from Everest base camp. Did with their group nice visit there. But look at this, these guys are carrying couches to Everest base camp. Couches. Enormous strength. No words, eh? So, just for you, 109.